In this video, we will cover how to load a prescription on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press the Field button. Press View Config. Press Edit TGT File. Use the up-down directional arrows to select the correct .tgt file. Once the correct file has been selected, press Accept. Press Exit, and press Accept again. We have now covered how to load a prescription on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.